Jordan comes to LeTourneau from New Braunfels, Texas, and his love for his university runs deep. Speaking of running, he covers a lot of ground both as captain of the men's soccer team and also pursuing his degree in civil engineering. That's right, athletics and engineering. Tell us all about it, Jordan. Take it away.
Hey, thanks Alex. What is good, college tour? Ever since I was young, I dreamed about studying engineering at a big Texas school. Now, I'm playing the sport that I love while also studying to become a civil engineer. At LeTourneau, hands-on learning is highly valued, and that means undergrads like me get to jump straight into what it means to be an engineer. Our engineering program is phenomenal. Not only do I get to dig into work, but I'm also involved in courses and lab experiments that prepare me for the real world. Along with learning from amazing professors, our athletic program is filled with all different kinds of personalities. This is especially true on the men's soccer team. With a young coach and roster, we are learning what it means to be a successful program. We strive to pursue excellence on and off the pitch. Not only are we able to pursue athletics while being students, the athletic department helps us grow in our faith. This is very meaningful to me and vital to the continued development of my faith. One of the core values of LeTourneau Athletics is cultivating disciples, and honestly, this is seen all over campus. I'm consistently poured into by my professors, coaches, and teammates. As I head into my last semester here at LeTourneau, I'm still striving to become the better version of myself. I've learned so much and excited to take it into my already secured full-time job at the leading civil engineering company in the nation. I'm super grateful and blessed to call LeTourneau home, and I cannot wait to see what God has in store for this school and my career. Kicking it back to you, Alex.
Nice one, Jordan. We love hearing about how the highly applied career preparation is not keeping students from pursuing their additional interests and athletic pursuits. Good luck in your career, and thank you for sharing your story.